Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, my name is Castiana and we're back with another video. It's gonna be on this look, so I mean basically that's all there's to be said. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching and do not get to I don't even know what I was trying to say. Just go ahead and watch the video. Zoomed you guys in a little bit. I tried this once before. I actually got this for Christmas. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and let me just tell you, I hated this. I don't know why. It came out like very watery, so I'm gonna like shake it really good this time, hopefully. And see? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's not as watery this time. See, it's like kind of goopy. I don't know, it's weird. I expected it to be more like silicone-y. I don't know, maybe. Oh, this is much better. Maybe it was because smells weird. Maybe it was because it was my first time using it. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I put too much. I think I'm gonna put too much. So now that I just spent 10 years priming my face, I'm going to go into brows, and I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. And this is in 4, the shade 4, I don't know. This step is boring, so I'm probably just gonna skip through it. If you want like an in-depth brow tutorial or routine video, then comment below, but I'm just gonna skip through this part because it's boring. Okay, you guys, so I'm probably going to zoom you in a bit more so that we can focus on the eyes. So I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't have my face done yet just because I'd like to start with my eyes today. So I already primed my eyes, and I am just going in with this first shade right here. And I'm just going to be using that to cover my whole lid. It's a little white, but that's okay. So now I'm going to be going in to this shade right here. I'm going to take that and just put that in my crease. Now I'm going into this, use that and focus it more in my crease. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here in the 3rd row, and it's the 2nd color from the right. And so I'm going to take that. I'm just going into the crease right here and buffing that in. And we're going to go back and blend these edges out a little bit, and we're going to take this, we're gonna go back with this color, or sorry, I pointed to the wrong one. This one, the one that we used earlier, and we're just lightly going to go over the edges with that to make sure we get all the harsh lines and blend everything nice and seamlessly. Okay, I'm taking this purple shade, which is right under the one that we just used, and I'm just going in with that and focusing it right in here. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I think I'm gonna take this color up a little bit more and we'll blend that out more, but I just wanted to bring it up higher because I feel like having it focus just on that little teeny corner right here isn't doing it for me. So now I'm going to go in here and just blend these harsh lines. So now I'm just taking this shade right at the very top It's the last shade in that row, and I'm literally just taking it on my finger and applying it to my lid like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of that purplish color onto my blending brush along with this maroon shade that is diagonally up from it. So this is the one that I'm taking, that purplish brown, and then I'm just taking that maroon shade that's directly diagonal to it and mixing those. And I'm just going to lightly blend that. And I kind of want to carry something up above here. I'm gonna go back with that blending brush. I'm gonna go into our transition shade one more time, the lighter color, and just go back in. Now I am going to go in with the Inglot gel liner, and I'm going to line my eyes, give it a wing, and then I'm going to apply some false lashes. I'm going to use the Ardell Studio Effects Wispies. I've never used these before, so I'm gonna try those out. And we shall see. So I will be right back. Give me 1 second. Guys, so I have my lashes on, and now before I do mascara and the lower lash line and all of that, I'm going to start with my face. So let me zoom you out and let's get started. So my primer has been set for ever, and so now I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, per usual. And you guys, I finally, wait till you see the concealer I'm using. This isn't my regular like foundation routine that I do every single time I do a video. I mean, the foundation's the same, but let's be real, we all have that one foundation that's like, the concealer that I'm going to be using is this guy. All heard of it, I'm sure. So the reason I wanted to try this was, I mean, come on, every YouTuber has this. So I tried it. First time I tried it, I recorded it and I got the shade that was way too light for me. Like, I honestly should have posted it because you guys would have died. I looked like a ghost. In case you're wondering, I am the shade, I chose a light medium and it seems to be good. I will say this one thing though, this dries very quickly. Like almost a little too quick. That's like the only thing I would say, is that it does dry rather quickly. So now I bought another new thing, and you guys are probably familiar with it, but it's been new to me. It's the Hoola by Benefit bronzer, Hoola bronzer. And I actually really love this stuff too. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I need to set my face. Airspun, per usual. Kind of set the under eye. I'm going in with this big fluffy brush, and I'm obsessed with this bronzer. Like, it's not too dark. It's not like so pigmented that like you have to worry. Like, I wouldn't dab into it and then go, like, for sure, no. I'm just having a really good makeup shopping experience lately. I'm going to do my blush, which I'm going in with the Tarte blush palette. It is so pretty. I just love this. And it has, I'm not sure if it was meant to be a couple highlighters in here. It definitely low-key has some cute highlighters. I'm gonna use this shade, which is Endless. Oh, that was a lot. Let's get this going here. This side is like, whew, wicked bad. Okay, I'm gonna dust the excess powder. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm gonna use this shade right here. You can see it, it's like, right? Like, that looks like the perfect highlighter. This is Whimsical. So I'm gonna take Whimsical. So now I'm gonna go back to the eyes and I'm going to use this NYX Wonder Pencil, and it is in Light Clair, and it's a perfect nude lower lash or waterline eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use that. Okay, and then I'm going into my Better Than Sex mascara to just get those, get my real eyelashes into my falsies. And now I'm going to go in with this small little brush that we were using when we were doing our eyeshadow, and I'm just going to take whatever's left and bring it down, and then we'll go in to the palette and just darken it up a little. And I'm going to use these two shades right here. Now I'm going to go into the lower, like the inner corner, with this pearl shade, I believe. Oh, there we go. Finish off this look. I am just going to add, well, first of all, I'm gonna put on some chapstick. Then I'm going to line my lips with the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip, it says. And this is, I think it's just Aqua Lip. I think that's the shade. Who knows, but I need to sharpen this. I'm actually going to fill in my lips with this. And so that's that. And then I'm going in with Kat Von D in Double Dare. I don't want it to be too red. Ooh, that's pretty. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer in the middle to make it more nudie and not as like intense. Let me see. And I just basically have to keep patting it. I know it looks like bizarre right now. I'm gonna go back in with the lip liner and just going back in with Double Dare one more time. So that is the final look, and I'm just going to finish off with some Morphe setting spray. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Comment if you liked it. Let me know what your favorite product is if you've tried any of these. And make sure you subscribe to see more. And I will see you guys so soon. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.